what's up? It's your girl Frida Rhymes, the one and only side chick, and you are watching Odate GHTV. Don't go nowhere. Mwah.
Hello guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on Odate GHTV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to win it. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below, and also give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. Okay, straight to today's bars, we have Akuapem Poloo arrives in Dubai, drops photos and videos. Yes, so Ghanaian actress, now musician Rosemond Brown, known in showbiz as Akuapem Poloo, has arrived in Dubai for a vacation. According to Akuapem Poloo, her travel expenses were sponsored by a travel agency named Amaglo, from her tickets to hotels and many others. She took to her Instagram handle to flaunt photos and videos of herself when she arrived in Dubai. Okay guys, watch the video.
You are insulting me. You see where Akuapem Poloo is sleeping in Dubai? This is where I'll be bathing jacuzza. And this is where I'll be shitting my shitting. You there, you are insulting me, calling me name, bush girl. Oh my God. And this is where I'll be sleeping, my comfort zone. This is where I'll be spending my nights all alone in the name of Amagrove. Last year she brought me to Dubai, but this one is marvelous. My rooms and sexy Polo Piani got its way to Dubai. Please, Dubai people call me, Be there insulting me. I'm going places. Yes, my cute small waist is really taking me places. Either pay you, be there insult me, okay? Hypocrites, bitches.
They out here looking for revenge. All day, no night. See me now once but twice. All looks and no fight. See me doing me, got them wondering how a bitch came into flight. They talk about me all night. Goddamn, they must be tight. They looking for revenge. Yeah, it's not my fault though. I swear I just do me and bitches be sick. Bitches got sore throats. Last year I was on the pole. Now you can catch a girl on the road. See me and 50K a show. I think some bitches need to know. Yeah, cause I don't brag much, but shit really be a blow. When I got bitches, they coming for me like we on the same level. That's a no. These bitches is nowhere near my level. Can't even fit them in my schedule. Yeah, your girl is overbooked. You really think my attention gonna catch you? Mixtape been out for 3 weeks and already charting on billboards. Funny thing, shit was really free. All I gotta say is thank you, Lord. This for the ones that doubted me and see I was never gonna be shit. All of a sudden they proud of me and wanna be hopping on my dick. They 666.
Hello guys, as you know, yes, the prettiest girls in the world. If you don't get it, go to hell. Yes, we are right here inside Dubai, we are having fun. That's my favorite thing.